Hi, and thank you for watching. We're going to show you how to send and receive payments on invoices using the BluePay QuickBooks Online plugin. If you want to send out invoices to your customers and give them the option to pay using a hosted payment page, click on the Send Invoices button on the top menu. First, select what customer you'd like to send invoices to. You can also click All Customers. Next, select which invoices you'd like to send to your customers. If you clicked All Customers, all open invoices will populate here. As you can see, our customer Bob Smith has only one open invoice. Select the box next to the invoice. Next, customize the email greeting. You can choose how we greet your customer, you can choose how we address your customer, and you can choose what message is included with your invoice. We like how this one looks, so we're going to select Send Invoice. Next, you'll get a pop-up confirming that the invoice has been sent successfully. Keep in mind that merchants have the ability to customize their invoice template, so you can control the look and feel of your invoices. For the sake of this demo, we used the standard template and actually sent the invoice to ourselves. Let's take a look to see what the invoice will look like to your customers. Within your customer's email client, the invoice will be sent as a normal email. When your customer opens the email, they will see the greeting and invoice you have customized for this invoice. You can see there is a link to pay the invoice and an attached PDF of the invoice. This is what the attached invoice looks like. Your company's information will be on the top, and your customer's billing information will be listed too. You'll also notice the invoice number, today's date, the invoice due date, and line item details. On the bottom, you will find the balance due for this invoice. The customer can choose to click the link within the email body to make a payment on this invoice. Your customer will be redirected to a hosted payment page. This hosted payment form is a BluePay hosted payment form that will securely process your customer's payment. First, you'll see that the invoice amount is already embedded into the form, so your customer cannot change the amount. Your customer can select a credit card or ACH e-check transaction and will enter their payment data at the top of the form. Next, you can see that the stored billing information auto-populates for the customer. Once the form is filled out, your customer can make a payment by clicking Make Payment. Next, your customer will receive a real-time response approving or declining your customer's transaction. They will get all transaction details here. Below the receipt, your customers can click on the Return button, which will lead them to a pre-selected web page that you set up under the Settings section of the BluePay QuickBooks Online plugin. Once a customer has made a payment, the payment will now be available within QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the BluePay QuickBooks Online plugin, please contact our QuickBooks support team at quickbooks@bluepay.com.